Day 7 of my 30-day guru challenge. 1 week in, and I have been testing a new strategy every single day. Today, I am letting AI do something that gurus say saves them hours every week. What if you never had to think about what to post again? What if you just opened ChatGPT, told it your niche and your audience, and it handed you a full content plan ready to go? The gurus say it is possible, and it saves you hours every single week. So today I'm going to open ChatGPT live on camera and giving it my full content calendar to plan. And I'm going to show you every single idea it gives me and tell you honestly which one I would actually use and which one I wouldn't, or which one is good to tweak. So now let's go to the computer so we can open up ChatGPT. And I typed in my niche, my audience, and my goal. And then I asked it to give me 30 days of content ideas for selling digital products using AI. Here is what it came back with. This is the prompt I use. It's pretty lengthy, so pause the video so you can read it. Okay, so here is the ideas ChatGPT came back with. So day 1, they have, you don't need 10 ideas to start. That one is good. I will actually use that one because you really don't need 10 ideas to start. You just need one. Why most beginners never start, for day 2. That is a great one. It's talking about the pain point behind why people do not begin. So that is good. Talk about overthinking and information overload. That is a key thing, because learning a lot is good, but learning a lot can make you overthink more because everybody's advice be different. Even my advice might be different from someone else you was just watching. So everybody's advice be different. Now you're like, okay, where do I start? So that one will be good too, because I could elaborate on it. I could talk about it. I could put my experience in it. I could spin it, you know, put your own spin to it. So that one will be good too. And you just go down each day like I'm going down them and reading them, because this is AI. So you're a human, you have experience in what you're selling, what you're doing. So you could read it and see which one fits you, because if you say something that's uncomfortable, people are gonna feel it too, okay? So you just wanna make sure what you're saying, you believe it as well. So that's why you go through them and say, okay, this one I don't really believe, or I could twist it, or I could fix it and tweak it to my liking, okay? So right here, I started with 0 skills. I had 0 experience and still made my first digital product. And that could be a story time, okay? Because we all started somewhere. I'm still growing, I'm still learning too. So you just document those experiences. So stop waiting to feel ready for day 4. That's what ChatGPT gave us. And that's something good as well. And you could elaborate on it and talk about it. And then you just keep going down, because it gave me 30 days content. And you just keep doing the same thing. Look at the hook, because the hook is the key point. And a hook is basically the first 30 seconds of your video is considered a hook. Okay, what you say in the first 30 seconds of your video is a hook. Whatever you do in the first 30 seconds is a hook as well, which is a visual hook. So you just go through these hooks and you elaborate and put your knowledge into it and put your details. Now me, I like to talk a little bit. So when you go to Google Docs and just brainstorm whatever the day is. So if you're on day 28, for example, right here, behind the scenes, my content process, okay? You will write in your notes exactly what you're gonna show that day, what you're gonna talk about that day, what you're gonna do. So when you send it to ChatGPT, they could like make it smaller for you, but it's all your knowledge. Hopefully that makes sense. Like day 30, it says, if I had to start from 0 today, here's my exact plan, step by step, begin a roadmap. That's a good video too, because I see those videos a lot. A lot of people are doing it in different niches, and those are good videos. That'd be a good video idea as well, because that's actually what people are doing now. And again, you will go to a Google Doc, just dump everything that you're thinking in your head about that topic. If I had to start today, if I had to start from 0 today, what would I do? Just brainstorm, just type. It don't have to be perfect. It don't have to be a full sentence. Just type it down. Copy that entire thing and put it into ChatGPT, because now that's your knowledge and your expertise. Let ChatGPT put that in a short form so it could fit a 60-second video or however long you want your video to be. If you're doing shorts or if you're doing YouTube, you know, they can make it longer, make it a little shorter. So now you have your expertise in it, and it's not just fully ChatGPT telling you exactly what to do, word from word, exactly what to say, okay? Because you already dumped your full knowledge inside of it, and now they making it better so you don't ramble and talk like I be doing. And then you just keep going down it. It gave me everything I needed, literally. Okay, so pause this video if you need to pause it so you could actually read it and see exactly what they was giving me. But this is what they gave me. Now, some of these are actually really good. And then as you keep going, you might find some that you would never post. Now, I'm going to tell you the one thing ChatGPT cannot do for you, no matter how good your prompt is. They can never know your real knowledge unless you tell it to them. They're only going to give you a prompt, a script off of what AI think or what AI know. So they would never know your knowledge until, like I told you earlier, until you actually give them your full knowledge. Okay, because you give them a prompt and they're going to send you back what they think. And that's where your knowledge come in to go through it, read through it, and see if it fits what you believe and what you think in your niche. And that's what ChatGPT, AI, any AI cannot do, because they're not human. They are not you and they can't be you. But ChatGPT is one of the AI tools I cover inside my digital product starter kit. If you want to know how to use AI to create and sell your first digital product from scratch, the link will be in the description below, like always, and it will be in the pinned comment below. So if you want to go check that out. Tomorrow, I am finally revealing the results from the faceless AI content. You are going to want to see this one, so make sure you come back tomorrow. Make sure you like, subscribe, keep your post notification on so you do not miss any uploads during the challenge. So I will see you guys tomorrow.